Hello everybody, today we're exploring Nagoya, Japan, a city bursting with history, innovation, and some of the best food you'll ever taste. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned traveler, Nagoya's blend of tradition and modern energy will surprise you. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into everything that makes Nagoya unforgettable. Our journey begins, taking us to the heart of Japan's rich history and architectural marvels. At Nagoya Castle, a testament to time and tradition, it stands as the city's iconic heart, a symbol of strength and cultural identity. Built in the Edo period, a time of shoguns and samurai for the powerful Tokugawa clan, who shaped Japan's destiny, this castle was more than just a fortress. It was a statement. Its golden shachihoko rooftops, mythical creatures believed to protect against fire, gleam with legend, reflecting the power and prestige of the ruling clan. Though the original keep was lost in woe, a tragic event in the city's history, the reconstruction is stunning, a faithful recreation of its former glory. And the ongoing restoration of the main tower is a marvel, showcasing traditional techniques and dedication to preserving the past. Step inside Homaru Palace, the residence of the lords, restored to perfection, offering a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of feudal Japan. And you're transported to a world of painted screens and cypress wood, where every detail tells a story. The castle grounds are a peaceful oasis, a serene escape from the bustling city, with gardens meticulously designed to reflect the changing seasons and a tea house perfect for a matcha break, offering a moment of tranquility. Whether it's cherry blossoms in spring or autumn leaves painting the landscape in vibrant hues, the scenery is always breathtaking, a feast for the senses. Nagoya Castle is the perfect introduction to the city's spirit, a place where history and beauty intertwine. Next we visit Atsuta Shrine, one of Japan's most sacred Shinto sites. Step through the torii gate and enter a tranquil forest, home to ancient camphor trees and deep spiritual energy. The shrine is said to house the legendary Kusanagi sword, one of Japan's imperial regalia. You won't see the sword, but the sense of history and reverence is everywhere. Explore the grounds, discover hidden shrines, and feel the living tradition of faith. Atsuta Shrine is the spiritual heart of Nagoya. Ready for some excitement? Welcome to Osu Shopping District. This vibrant maze mixes trendy boutiques, vintage shops, and street food stalls with the historic Osu Kannon Temple at its core. The energy is electric. Cosplayers, families, and tourists all mingling together. Grab some legendary carriage or international treats and soak up the lively atmosphere. Osu is where Nagoya's modern pulse beats loudest. Nagoya's industrial legacy comes alive at the Toyota Commemorative Museum. Discover how a weaving loom company became a global automotive giant. Watch textile machines in action, then explore the evolution of Toyota cars, from early prototypes to futuristic robots. The museum's interactive displays reveal the innovation and ambition that shaped Nagoya. It's a fascinating journey through engineering history. This is where the city's spirit of invention truly shines. All aboard! Next stop, Maglev and Railway Park, a sprawling testament to Japan's railway prowess. It's a paradise for train lovers, history buffs, and tech fans alike, offering something for everyone. Marvel at historic steam engines, relics of a bygone era, each with its own unique story to tell. Climb aboard Shinkansen bullet trains, icons of speed and efficiency that revolutionize travel. And get up close to the record-breaking Maglev, a marvel of modern engineering pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Interactive exhibits and massive model train dioramas, meticulously crafted worlds that capture the magic of rail travel, make this museum a blast for all ages, sparking curiosity and wonder in young and old alike. Try your hand at train simulators and experience the thrill of high-speed travel from the driver's seat, feeling the power and precision of these incredible machines. It's a celebration of Japanese engineering and imagination, showcasing the ingenuity and innovation that have shaped the nation's railway system. Here, the future of transportation is on full display, offering a glimpse into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Pure joy for anyone curious about how we move, connecting people and places with speed, safety, and style. Now let's reach for the stars at the Nagoya City Science Museum. The world's largest planetarium immerses you in a dazzling night sky. No translation needed. Explore 6 floors of hands-on science exhibits, from tornado simulators to interactive tech displays. It's a playground for curious minds, young and old. Here, learning is pure fun and wonder. The universe feels just a little closer in Nagoya. After all that exploring, soaking in the sights and sounds of Nagoya, It's time to indulge in Nagoya's culinary masterpiece, a dish that truly defines the city's gastronomic identity, hitsumabushi. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. This isn't just your average grilled eel on rice, it's so much more than that. It's a carefully orchestrated four-part ritual, a dance of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. First, savor the eel as is, appreciating the smoky char and the delicate sweetness of the glaze. Next, add a touch of wasabi for a hint of spice and sprinkle some nori seaweed for a savory umami boost. Then pour savory dashi broth over the rice and eel, transforming it into a comforting ochazuke, perfect for a chilly evening. And finally, after experimenting with all the variations, enjoy your favorite way, customizing each bite to your personal preference. Each bite is a new discovery, a delightful exploration of flavor combinations, and every restaurant, from humble eateries to upscale establishments, has its own unique twist on this classic dish. Don't miss the chance to visit famous spots like Atsuda Hore-ken, a legendary establishment with a rich history, or Maruya Honten, another beloved institution known for its exceptional quality and traditional techniques. You might have to wait in line as these places are incredibly popular, but trust me, it's worth every single second of your time. Hitsumabushi is more than just a meal. It's a cultural experience, a culinary adventure, and an absolute must-eat when you're in Nagoya. And that's Nagoya, a city of castles, shrines, innovation, and unforgettable food. I hope this inspires you to add Nagoya to your travel list. Share your favorite Nagoya spots or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, safe travels and happy eating.